Jason Hollis Farms this morning. It is pretty cool this morning. Pete's taking him a nap. We've been doing some feeding. We headed to town. We got to do a little shopping this morning, a little rat killing. I'm filming with the GoPro this morning. I haven't had that gimbal out lately because it is aggravating. I love the video from it, and if I was just gonna plug it up and go straight to video and then not cut it off, it works great. But when you cut it on and off, you cut it back on, start trying to film, and it pops up SD card error, and it's aggravating. But I've been playing with some of the settings this morning. I had one setting that was not on. This GoPro, this is a Hero 5. I may try a 7 before long. Brian's got one, I gotta look at it, but this thing's got so many mics around it. The little scratching that y'all hear sometime, that's what it's from. I changed some settings a while ago, and we'll see if that helps. If I'm riding in the truck or on the Ranger or anything, you don't hear it because that other noise kind of overrides it. But when I'm just standing around and I move my hand, the mics are very good and they're very sensitive. But I love the quality of this GoPro, and that's why I hadn't been getting that Sony out so much. I really like the Sony. It's great quality, it's easy to use, good video, but it's just a little bulky running around every day. I like the GoPro size. So anyway, we're running to town to take care of a few things. I was gonna go hunting this morning, but I didn't. I just ain't quite got in the mood for myself to go deer hunting yet. But we might go this afternoon. But we're gonna go to town, take care of a few things, do a little shopping. We'll be back. All right, y'all, gotta go in Lowe's for a minute, see if we can find some shelves or some cabinets or something. Y'all, so I made it through the trip to Lowe's. I think I got a pretty nice cabinet. Kind of hard to tell. The one that they had on display there looked pretty nice. I think it'll do just fine. Had a couple more pieces there that I wanted, but I wanted to just get one piece at a time, get this put up and see what exactly. They had another smaller cabinet, one that rolled on the floor and one that mounted on the wall. Kind of wanted that and then mounted on the wall, but I'm gonna kind of wait and see where I'm at when I get this one up. But let me tell y'all about Lowe's. Let me jump up on the bypass here. I'll tell y'all about Lowe's. Lowe's has got a lot of stuff, but let me tell you, it is one of the most aggravating places to shop. The guy that helped me get it loaded on the little cart, really nice guy. You get up to the checkout. All right, now they got people standing there working, and then they got 6 of these self-checkout deals. And I push up there, and a guy standing there doing nothing. I said, "You mind helping me here?" He said, "You can do it right there." I said, "No, I am not doing it. You work here, I don't. Check me out." It's crazy. If they're gonna have this automated stuff, and see the aggravating part, I know I'm gonna get aggravated if I start doing it, because he works there and couldn't hardly get me checked out. So it's not my job. He's getting paid, check me out. He did help me load it, was nice about that, but come on now. I don't know what this world's coming to. Anyway, we got a couple more things to do, got to get back to the barn. Y'all got the cabinets moved down to the race car shop. I don't know if I get them put together today. That may be another day. I got some other stuff I want to do today. I'll be back in a minute. All right, y'all, just a little change of plans this afternoon. I grabbed my 270 and tripod for the camera. Got y'all on a different camera now. Was filming with the GoPro. This is the little GoPro handle that I use. Sometimes it's got a little tripod that comes out of the bottom of it, and this is a handy little thing. It's just you hear that little scratching and stuff on it sometime. I need to put some better rubber or something on it. Anyway, we are going to get in the shooting house for a little while. I ain't been but one time all year. Went with a crossbow. Hadn't even been during gun season. Really don't feel like it. I got to get my mind wrapped right to go sit still somewhere, so it may take me a little while to get used to it. I always think of stuff I need to go do, but it's getting kind of late, so it won't be but a couple hours. So I usually can sit there all day, but I just don't make time to do that anymore. But we're gonna go sit a little while, see if we can't film something. I ain't had a camera or nothing out. I ain't gonna tell them what we might see. Might shoot something. We'll be back. This is Pete's first trip deer hunting. We're gonna see how he does. I think it's gonna be a good afternoon. Alright, y'all, I got everything ready. We're probably gonna have I gotta do some work with Pete. He's trying to chew on everything. Y'all know he's just a baby. But I like a wild dog, so he's gonna be alright. He'll play around a little while and then he'll probably take him a nap. He has turned into my buddy. I believe that wind's been blowing all day. It's laying down, I believe. They're gonna move here in just a little bit. Maybe we'll get to at least look at some. I don't care if I shoot nothing or not. I don't really feel like skinning one. It's gonna have to be a good one or some really bad call before I shoot. Alright, we'll be back. Gotta get back used to this tripod. I ain't used it since turkey season. Alright, y'all. Me and Pete come out just a little bit early. Wasn't just real fired up about going, but had a good time. Pete had a good nap. That's his first hunting trip. Did pretty good. He just wanted to sleep. Played for a minute and then wanted to sleep. Really excited about seeing them long beards. Really excited. That, to me, that's better than seeing big old bucks, because that's what I really like to do. Did a whole lot of deer hunting and shooting last year. I don't have near as many does inside the enclosure that I need excuse me, that I need to shoot this year. That's why I hadn't been going just a whole lot. I'm gonna shoot a handful. Not gonna hurt a thing. Need to shoot a handful, especially for dodging them, to keep them going and to get JC started. And I'm gonna play with Pete on that a little bit. Really thinking about Pete. I ain't sure. I want him to do the blood tracking, but I'm really thinking about him. That dog's a mess. He's pretty feisty. He likes to bark. I think he might tree a squirrel. I don't know. I've got a few things on my mind I'm wanting to do. Like I've told y'all before, I deer hunted very hard most all my life. But I always played with some kind of dog, and I'm just kind of to the point where I'm just not crazy about sitting there all the time, especially in the afternoon. Just got too much I need to do. But I do like going deer hunting a lot of times in the morning, that first hour or so. To me, that's the best time. And our rut isn't here yet, and if I'm not gonna shoot does, about all I'm worried about is, I just saw something cross the road here. I don't know if it's an armadillo or what. If I'm not shooting does, I'm then not in a fired up hurry about going until the rut anyway. That's a fun time to hunt. Been having a ball trapping and coons and snaring and stuff, so just not really fired up yet. And I love turkey hunting. I'm gonna do my best not to miss a day of that. But anyway, got that one big old doe on film, and then 2 or 3 came to my left, and I didn't get the camera on them, and one of them old does got to blowing at me. She smelled me, and kind of when it's like that, a lot of times it's over with anyway, or it kind of gets me out of the mood anyway. But anyway, pretty good day. Little shopping trip, little hunting, little working. Just had a pretty good day. If y'all like our stuff, subscribe to us. Hollis Farms. Hats, t-shirts, and stickers. HollisFarms.com. Appreciate y'all watching. Out of here.